Let's be honest with ourselves here. The crossbow market in 2026 is absolute chaos. If you walk into any pro shop or big box outdoor store right now, the marketing guys will try to convince you that you need to drop $1,500 or $2,000 on a flagship setup just to put venison in your freezer. They will throw out fancy buzzwords, high-tech gimmicks, and shiny plastic attachments that look cool on a shelf but do absolutely nothing for you when you are freezing your tail off in a tree stand. I am here to tell you that is total nonsense. You do not need to mortgage your house to get lethal tack driving accuracy and rock-solid mechanical reliability. Over the last few months, I have been putting a massive stack of budget-friendly horizontal rigs through the absolute ringer out here on the range. We are talking heavy, high-volume shooting, intentional cold weather exposure, and structural stress tests. I stripped away all the paid review fluff and the corporate sponsorships to evaluate these tools based on what actually matters. Manufacturing tolerances, long-term parts wear, string serving longevity, and raw downrange ballistics. We have completely thrown out the standard countdown list you see everywhere else. Today, we are rebuilding the hierarchy from scratch based on pure field utility. Here is my definitive, unfiltered breakdown of the 7 best budget crossbows that will absolutely deliver when the shot of a lifetime presents itself. Number 7, Bear X Intense. Right out of the gate, we are looking at a platform that completely blew my mind regarding manufacturing value. Historically, if you wanted to get your hands on a reverse draw crossbow, you had to be prepared to fork over a massive premium. These are advanced mechanical designs, and the engineering required to flip those limb pockets backward usually drives the price tag sky high. But the engineers at Bear X completely disrupted the industry with the Intense, delivering a true high-performance reverse draw rig for under $500. If you have never shot a reverse limb platform, the physics change everything. On a standard compound crossbow, the weight is heavily biased toward the front end, making the bow feel nose-heavy when you bring it up to your shoulder. That front-heavy design forces your support arm to work overtime, which inevitably introduces muscular fatigue and barrel shake right when you are trying to squeeze off a precise shot. The Bear X Intense flips that script entirely by moving the riser and the limb pockets back toward the center of the stock. The center of gravity is brought directly over your trigger hand. Yes, the overall physical weight is still up there, but because that mass is perfectly balanced and rear-loaded against your shoulder, the bow feels incredibly light, steady, and natural when you are tracking a moving target. Now let us talk about the raw ballistic data. The party piece of this reverse draw architecture is the massive 12.7-inch power stroke. Because the string is pulling from the very front of the rail all the way back to the trigger mechanism, it stays in contact with the bolt for a significantly longer duration than a standard compact bow. That extended contact means maximum energy transfer. Out here on the chronograph, this beast is driving hunting weight bolts at a flat 400 feet per second. Even better, when this platform is fully cocked, it measures a mere 10 inches from axle to axle. That ultra-narrow profile is an absolute lifesaver when you are busting through thick brush, navigating tight timber, or operating inside the cramped confines of a ground blind. The full factory package delivers a ready-to-hunt setup under $400, throwing in 3 heavy-duty carbon bolts, a premium illuminated scope that handles low-light conditions beautifully, and a top-mount quiver. It is a rugged, hard-hitting, mechanical marvel that proves you do not have to settle for basic designs just because you are watching your budget. Number 6, Killer Instinct Boss 405. Moving right along down the line, we are looking at an absolute tank of a traditional compound setup, the Killer Instinct Boss 405. Now, when you see a budget-friendly rig boasting numbers like 405 feet per second right there in the name, your first instinct might be to check for smoke and mirrors. A lot of entry-level manufacturers achieve high velocities by using dangerously lightweight bolts that can shatter on impact or cause catastrophic limb failure over time. But Killer Instinct did not play those games. They built this platform to handle real-world, high-velocity abuse day in and day out. To push a standard arrow at those speeds, you need some serious mechanical backbone. The Boss 405 relies on a heavy-duty, hard-anodized aluminum flight track. This is a massive feature for a bow in this price bracket. Cheap plastic or composite rails will warp, pit, and degrade under the intense heat generated by string friction, which absolutely destroys your downrange consistency. This aluminum track keeps things completely flat, slick, and uniform, minimizing friction so your arrows glide out with minimal resistance. But all that raw energy comes with a mechanical cost. This platform demands a hefty 220-pound draw weight. Pulling that back by hand, even with a standard rope cocker, requires a solid amount of leverage and effort. The bow itself weighs in at 6.7 pounds stripped down, and once you bolt on your accessories, it becomes a substantial piece of hardware to carry around the woods all day. The weight is biased forward, which means you need to lock your skeleton in place when shooting offhand. However, the structural durability here is top tier. Killer Instinct designed the limbs and the riser pocket with maximum rigidity in mind, ensuring the frame does not flex or suffer from structural oscillation when those cams roll over. They back up that build quality with a full lifetime warranty, which tells you exactly how much confidence they have in this design. If you have the physical leverage to handle a heavy draw weight and want pure, unadulterated speed that can drop any big game animal in North America, this rig is a certified hammer. Number 5, Wicked Ridge Invader 400. Next up, we are pulling a highly respected American-built workhorse onto the firing line, the Wicked Ridge Invader 400. Now, Wicked Ridge is operated under the TenPoint umbrella, and if you know anything about the high-end crossbow world, you know TenPoint builds some of the absolute finest hunting rigs on the planet. With the Invader 400, they took that elite engineering DNA and condensed it into a package that working-class hunters can actually afford. Let us look straight at the physical logistics of this platform. It weighs in at a flat 6 pounds stripped down, making it one of the absolute lightest compound setups in its class. If you have ever spent a full day tracking game through dense public land timber, or if you have ever suffered through severe shoulder strain from hoisting an amateur, nose-heavy rig into a tree stand, you will immediately appreciate what they did here. It balances beautifully right at the center of the stock, allowing you to hold a steady offhand position without your support arm turning into jello. But do not let that lightweight construction fool you into thinking it lacks teeth. This platform is rated for a massive 132 joules of pure kinetic energy downrange, pushing its matching carbon fiber bolts at a true cruising at a flat 400 feet per second. The velocity isn't just for show either. The cam profile is engineered to optimize downrange momentum decay, ensuring that even out at extended distances, the bolt maintains enough rotational stability and forward inertia to break through heavy bone and clean pass through large, big game animals. Safety and long-term durability are where this rig truly earns its stripes. The bow features an ultra-wide 15-inch axle-to-axle stance when uncocked, providing a rock-solid, stable shooting platform that naturally dampens structural vibration. Built right into the stock is an integrated safety wing design that physically prevents your thumb and support fingers from ever creeping up over the flight rail, keeping them completely out of the path of the traveling bowstring. Combined with an internal dry fire inhibitor and a crisp, match-grade trigger mechanism, it is an incredibly forgiving setup for beginners who are still building muscle memory. Plus, because it is fully engineered and built right here in the USA and backed by a lifetime warranty, you know the structural tolerances are dead on. Number 4, Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2. Coming in at the number 4 spot is a platform that has practically become a household name in the hunting community, the Barnett Whitetail Hunter 2. If you talk to guys who spend their winters freezing in tree stands across the Midwest, chances are a lot of them started out with this exact rig. It earned its reputation by being an accessible, no-nonsense, meat-on-the-table tool. When you first shoulder this platform, the standout attribute is the lightweight and compact stock profile, which makes it incredibly nimble when you are hauling it through thick brush or trying to maneuver into a tight shooting position inside a ground blind. The power delivery is snappy, giving you plenty of velocity to cleanly take down big game without any issue. But let us dive into the mechanical realities and the areas where a budget bow shows its true colors. Out of the box, the factory optics shipped with this package is honestly lower tier, and if you are serious about low light performance during those critical last 10 minutes of legal shooting light, you will want to upgrade that glass immediately. More importantly, let us talk about the safety mechanism. From the factory, the physical engagement of the safety toggle has a distinct metallic click sound signature. In the dead silence of the woods, that mechanical noise can instantly spook a mature buck right as you are preparing to shoot. To solve this, you need to execute some basic field tuning and aftermarket dampening. I highly recommend applying a small strip of high-density archery, moleskin, or dampening tape right over the safety housing to deaden that vibration. Additionally, this platform requires a meticulous timing check and string-serving tuning before you ever take it into the field. You need to ensure the cams are rolling over in absolute synchronization and that you are using a high-quality rail lube to prevent premature center serving wear on the string. If you are willing to put in a little bit of workbench elbow grease to execute those minor adjustments and upgrades, the foundational architecture of the Whitetail Hunter 2 will give you elite performance that punches way above its price tag. Number 3, Wicked Ridge Blackhawk 360, a platform that sets a completely new benchmark for lightweight precision in the woods. The Wicked Ridge Blackhawk 360. When you are operating on a strict budget, you usually have to accept a trigger that feels like pulling a rusty lever through a bucket of gravel. But the engineers behind this platform completely disrupted that trend by dropping an elite, match-grade assembly directly into this frame. When you settle into your pocket and prepare to break the shot, you take up a clean, minimal amount of initial travel before hitting a dead stop wall. From that point, a crisp, feather-light squeeze instantly trips the sear. There is zero creepy over-travel and zero gritty take-up. On the firing line, having that level of trigger control means you are not pulling your shots off target, resulting in tight, repeatable cloverleaf groups out at extended distances. The structural geometry of the Blackhawk 360 is built entirely around mobility and field logistics. It utilizes an ultra-compact split-limb configuration coupled with a skeletonized riser assembly that shaves every single ounce of dead weight off the front end, bringing the total weight down to a mere 6 pounds. But what I really appreciate from a maintenance standpoint is the routing of the cable tracks beneath the flight rail. On cheap entry-level bows, the cables constantly rub and grind against one another, which shreds your serving materials and forces you to visit a pro shop for an expensive repair after just a few dozen shots. This platform utilizes an integrated high-density roller glide system that completely isolates the cables, reducing friction down to absolute zero and drastically extending your field service life. Pushing heavy hunting bolts at a rock-solid 360 feet per second, it delivers premium, modern archery engineering at a price point that working-class shooters can actually afford. Number 2, Barnett Explorer 400 XP. Sliding into the number 2 slot is a rig that stood as the reigning champion for a long time, and honestly, it still handles business like an absolute pro. The Barnett Explorer 400 XP. In the original tracking data, this model was heavily weighed against its younger brother, the Whitetail Hunter, but looking at them side by side on a workbench reveals two completely different beasts. The Explorer XP is built specifically for hunters who demand heavy-duty ballistic output without moving into a premium price bracket. Let us pull the actual technical metrics from our range testing. This platform utilizes a heavy-duty 200-pound split-limb system that drives a 380-grain carbon bolt at a certified 400 feet per second. When you look at the energy transfer, that configuration generates a staggering 135 foot-pounds of pure kinetic energy at the point of release. On the firing line, that translates to a completely flat trajectory. While standard budget bows start dropping like a rock past 30 yards, the Explorer XP punches clean through the bullseye at 60 yards on the first try with minimal elevation adjustment needed on the reticle. Structurally, this frame is engineered for heavy field abuse. It measures 31¼ inches in total length and stays relatively nimble at 19 inches wide from axle to axle when uncocked. At 6.2 pounds, it is light enough to shoulder for extended periods without experiencing severe muscle fatigue. What I really appreciate about the layout is the modularity of the stock assembly. Barnett integrated a fully adjustable buttstock and an ergonomic cheek rest that lets you perfectly dial in your eye relief behind the glass. If you are sharing this rig with a buddy or switching shooting positions in a cramped ground blind, it adapts instantly. Maintenance is also incredibly straightforward because the flight rail is optimized for industry-standard 20-inch carbon bolts. There is no proprietary hardware or strange tuning requirements here, just solid, reliable American engineering that delivers exceptional downrange power exactly when you need it. Number 1, TenPoint Titan 400. And finally, pulling into the absolute number 1 spot is a rig that completely redefines what a budget-friendly hunting tool can intelligent engineer to do, the TenPoint Titan 400. If you follow archery innovations, you know that TenPoint has been the undisputed king of high-end horizontal platforms for a long time. With the Titan 400, they took the premium, military-grade architecture from their top-tier setups and packaged it into a platform targeted straight at the working-class hunter who refuses to compromise on quality. Let us talk about the mechanical game-changer on this rig, the integrated AccuDraw cocking mechanism built directly into the stock. On standard budget bows, you are either breaking your back with a traditional rope cocker or carrying around a loose mechanical crank that you can easily drop out of a tree stand. TenPoint solved this by housing a rock-solid, internal gear reduction system right inside the buttstock frame. It reduces the mechanical draw effort by over 90%, allowing you to cock the bow silently and perfectly straight every single time, which completely eliminates cam timing errors. Ballistically, this platform is an absolute sledgehammer. It drives field weight carbon bolts at a flat, pushing arrows at blistering speeds with zero structural vibration. Thanks to the ultra-rigid machined aluminum riser and matching polymer limb pockets, the energy transfer is incredibly efficient, resulting in a whisper-quiet sound signature and zero shock to your hands when you squeeze the crisp, match-grade trigger. The downrange performance is so incredibly consistent that you are maintaining lethal kinetic energy and pinpoint accuracy well past 60 yards out of the box. It is rugged, reliable, and represents the absolute pinnacle of budget archery engineering. If you want a platform that will last you a lifetime without breaking the bank, this is the definitive king of the range. Look, at the end of the day, any of these 7 horizontal rigs will clean pass through a target and put meat on your table. You do not need to drop a $2,000 down payment on a flashy brand name just to prove you are a serious hunter. But remember this, a budget-friendly crossbow is only as good as the guy maintaining it. If you neglect your rail lube, if you ignore your string serving wear, or if you refuse to spend time group tuning your bolts out on the range, even a flagship setup will fail you when a giant whitetail walks into your shooting lane. The tool is cheap, but your preparation has to be flawless. I want to hear from the real shooters in the community down below. Are you running a compact reverse draw setup this season, or are you sticking with a traditional, heavy-duty, split-limb workhorse? Drop your field experiences and your workbench modifications in the comments.